Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C63, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list. Find the contact which you'd like to block and then tap on it. I will show you this way and also the way using the settings. So let's tap on the contact and then scroll down to find the option block numbers. If you've got the app which is not updated, you will find this option here in this gear icon or three dots icon in the right upper corner, so be aware about that. So here we have to simply tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, and because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block. And as you can see, after getting back to the top, we can see that here we've got this characteristic icon, and it means that the number has been blocked successfully. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So the blacklist requires entering the settings first of all. So let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner, and be aware, because it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Yes, it's totally up to you. Just tap on the three dots icon and go to the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and that's the blacklist, and this is the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option works. You can tap on add a number and simply enter the phone number which you'd like to block. Tap on block and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. You've got also this option unknown. You can block the calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on this switcher right here and tap on it again to turn it off, of course. And if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.